Hello everyone, this is balck Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today I want to talk to you about a little black dress. I think that every woman has to have a little black dress in her wardrobe. If you don't like black color, you can make a dress of other dark color. Dark blue, for example. Anyway, such elegant dark dress of a simple design is a must. It's very convenient. Have a look at the dress I'm wearing now. It's made of the wool fabric of the very high quality. This fabric can be washed without any problems. I love it about it. The dress is not new. I've lost some weight, so I had to alter the dress for it to fit me better. It was too loose. Today I'm going to show you how to create different outfits with one and the same dress by combining different accessories. I'm wearing the dress with the simple boots and a pretty roll necklace of Murana glass. Notice that the dress is not straight. It's a bit tight at the bottom. It used to be seen more clearly. The dress was much wider at the waist. Notice that even though I've altered the dress, it's still pretty loose. There are no tucks on the front and on the back. Anyway, the thing that I want you to understand is that this is not a close-fitting dress. This is what is important. This is the first outfit. What if I add a scarf? The scarf is made as 100% natural silk. This is a Burberry-style scarf. Have a close look at the fabric. The design is very beautiful. I love it. The fabric is sold in my fashion house. It's perfect for making such scarves. I can't even imagine what else can be made of this fabric. I think that it matches the outfit perfectly. It will also look good with different coats. I think that this scarf makes this outfit look very beautiful. It matches the shoes and the necklace perfectly. Even if the shoes were simple black, the scarf would have also looked perfect here. The scarf isn't ready yet. It's just cut, but it's not edged yet. I'll ask one of the tailors of my fashion house to do it. We've showed you how to edge the scarves recently. Watch the video if you haven't done it yet. Next, I'm going to show you one more outfit. I wanted to see how differently one and the same dress looks like with different accessories. I've decided to change my boots for the red shoes. And I also want to change the necklace and the ring. I'm going to put my favorite necklace on. I've already showed it to you. And I wanted to see how it looks like with this dress. I think that it's very interesting. You've just seen me wearing this dress with the different shoes and accessories. The dress is the same, the hairstyle is the same, the outfit is completely different. I'm wearing absolutely the same little black dress. I have different matching scarves, so I can create different outfits with all of them. They will all look good. As I've already said, every woman should have a little black dress in her wardrobe. Having a little black dress, you will never face the problem of having nothing to wear. It is suitable for almost any occasion. Going to a theater, to work, to a party, for a walk, and so on. Change the shoes, the bags, the necklaces, the scarves. There are so many different ways for being different and beautiful. I know that some people don't like black color. It's okay. Make a dark blue dress or a chocolate one. The thing is that it should be of a very simple design. That's the trick. You don't look simple wearing a dress of a simple design. I hope my tutorials will help you find the designs which suit you. I've noticed that I'm matching the colors of the logo. I guess I should always wear black and red. I want to change my accessories and shoes once again. These are my favorite accessories, the necklace and the ring. Unfortunately, I don't wear them often. I've also changed the shoes. This is my favorite black pair. The heels are decorated with the crystals. Have a close look at them. I don't look casual anymore. I look like I'm dressed for some special occasion. What do you think? How to look good? There is no need to think of some complicated designs. No need to buy haute couture garments. A little black dress is a must. It doesn't really have to be black, but it should be simple and classy. Но для начала обязательно нужно иметь очень аккуратное, маленькое черное платье. I've already showed you 3 different outfits with this dress. Notice that I haven't even showed you the bags yet. От того, что я только поменяла аксессуары. Но это я еще вам показываю образы без сумочек. I also have a matching clutch. I wish I could show it to you. It's at home. Not only a black clutch would look good with this outfit. Red, beige, grey ones would also look good. A black dress also looks good with a pair of classic beige shoes. Use your imagination. As I've already said, such dresses should be of the very simple designs. I also don't recommend you making close-fitting dresses. There are people who can't wear such clothes, but it's better not to do it for some of us, like me. There are some parts of my body which I want to hide. What I wanted to tell you today is that everyone should have a little black dress of a simple design. You can make different necklines in them. Boat necks, V-necks, round ones, and so on. I don't recommend you making deep necklines. It would be pretty hard to find suitable accessories in this case. That's all for today. I really want you to be different and beautiful. I hope that you find my tutorials useful. My name is balck. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.